Mdex is losing its position and right now stands firm on the footing of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a circling supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is somewhat new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few likenesses to standard DEXs. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, conceding it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum biological system. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources by means of its pools utilizing its mechanized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Likewise, it gives compensations in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and brokers. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized design. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing brilliant agreements. The trading of this sort works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market cooperation. What makes Mdex exceptional is its programmed market creator highlight. They likewise plan to build their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding different resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-understand models and fortify their local area and control its administration. As indicated by the engineers' arrangements, the trade will turn into a center point for differing resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to coordinate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, prospects contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a distinct chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost estimate. On the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice according to our Mdex gauge. Mdex cost today rises to 23 cents. However, your ongoing venture might be degraded from now on. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a greatest cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex estimate toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex conjecture, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal least cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. Also, the Mdex worth can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of 33 cents. According to our Mdex cost forecast 2022, the Mdex cost could hit 34 cents before the current year's over and 48 cents by 2026. As per our cost figure, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to arrive at the very least value level of $5.62. The Mdex cost can arrive at a most extreme cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its obstruction level of $6.21. The ongoing cost of Mdex is extremely low from its high in February 2021. The record-breaking exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in something like 7 days with no opposition. The volume cost activity is obviously noticeable in the Mdex cost graph. Anything that caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested unpredictability currently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight design. The overall strength list hit oversold conditions in September end. For the present moment, the obstruction level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. Yet the Mdex cost estimate framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex raising a ruckus around town levels in 2 months or less. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the Mdex cost could plunge to the help levels according to digital money forecast. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging systems, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex market over the combination region that structures over the obstruction level. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash choices and create gains involving the expansion and inferred instability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footings at the most extreme cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. The bullish MDX value forecast can go from 34 cents to 40 cents inside the scope of a half year. The probability of penetrating the high is great since there is inclusion from the designers of the MDX coin that enhancements and elements will be made sooner rather than later. Moreover, these improvements inside the Mdex environment could push the coin to a superior future according to the verifiable information and our MDX estimate. From what we have noticed, the destruction from the highs of $10 didn't happen due to the immense cost auction. Assuming that the amassed volume is still high, the underlying financial backers might in any case hold the Mdex cost as long as possible. There is no huge volume-based sign that the appropriation has happened. In this way, for now, most would agree that there is no negative opinion in MDX as per our Mdex cost expectations. Mdex Value Forecast 2022. As per general data for the speculations, crucial and specialized examination ought to be finished in the event that one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Subsequently, merchants ought to do their own exploration, dissect the pattern in markets, and take speculation counsel from their monetary guide prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex Value Expectation 2023. The Mdex value expectation depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient displaying strategies. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with cryptographic forms of money news, different estimates, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex Value Forecast 2024. According to the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. By and large, financial backer feeling and digital money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before very long. Mdex Value Expectation 2025. In light of the verifiable information and Mdex cost figure, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex Value Expectation 2026. As per the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of legitimate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin. Is Mdex solid? Indeed, MDX is a solid crypto as it showed what itself can do as a quick and secure digital money. It is adaptable, as well as it tends to be traded out for other cryptos. Other digital currencies don't be guaranteed to give this trading of coins. Is Mdex a wise speculation for 2022? At the point when posed the inquiry in the event that Mdex is a wise speculation, it is essential to consider what one's gamble hunger is. Taking into account the unpredictable idea of crypto coins, it probably won't be appropriate for certain people. All things considered, Mdex cost could show a ton of possibilities which might be reflected later on results.